This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today I'm in Moseley, Virginia. Today we're going to take a look at a 5-bedroom, 3 full bath home. We are in a new subdivision. As you can see, we've got homes that are currently going up. We have actually been in this block before several weeks ago, and decided to come back. Wanted to show you one of the larger homes available here in this community. They have similar floor plans that are smaller homes and of course different price points. One of the things that we see today in our market is it's extremely competitive. Right now it is definitely a seller's market. We have sellers that are selling homes within the first 3-4 days that they come on the market or less. In fact, we even have buyers now that are offering to pay closing costs for sellers. If you have a home that you are thinking about selling, this is definitely a great time to do it. Go ahead and list with me. I'll definitely guarantee you we'll take care of your closing costs with the exception of the commission. We will also be able to market your home and get it sold for you as is condition. You won't have to do any repairs. Things that are just completely out of the norm can happen in today's market. Make it really easy to get a quick sale for top dollar. So make sure you give me a call and we'll go ahead and get you squared away. I'm also offering the guarantee you will get at least 2,000 YouTube views in the first week, or I work for free. So I don't think anybody else can give you that kind of marketing guarantee. We work hard to get your home sold. Okay, this home is almost finished. They've got a few punch list items, but you'll be able to get a good idea of what this home is going to look like here once it's all cleaned up. Of course, we have the 2-car garage. I immediately see in the corner there that we have our tankless Rinnai water heater. This water heater is gas fired, as most of them are. And the reason I know it's gas fired is this yellow line. Typically, it's usually yellow and it's covered with a plastic material. That's our supply line for our natural gas. The water goes in here in this blue line, immediately is heated in that tank and then goes back out through the house on demand. So you will never ever lose hot water in a home like this. You can see that we've got a good sized 2-car garage. We're going to go on in and take a look here. Just a couple days ago I received a phone call from a viewer. It was her first call, and she said, "Max, you know, it's been a kind of a while since we've had a video." And she said it with an attitude. You can tell with inflection and voice pattern that if someone is perturbed. And, you know, she said it like I owed her child support or something. I don't have any children or anything, but I think you get the point. If there was an angry mom out there that was owed child support, her tone definitely conveyed that. All right, I'm not mad at her though. I've been working hard here, so I'm happy to bring this to you today. Okay, as we come in, of course, have our stairs there to the left. Directly ahead is going to take us back to our family room. Here to the right, this can be a formal dining room area. There are some options here. If you wanted to have French doors put at the opening, you could. If somebody really needed this as a home office, you could do that. A lot of different possibilities here in this room. We're going to go on through the kitchen. Here in the kitchen, we have an amazing amount of counter space. You can see all the way down that wall. Here to the left is going to be our pantry. Great pantry space. And our island. One of the things with this particular builder is the dishwasher will come with the home. The gas range will also come. If you wanted to include a washer, dryer, and a refrigerator, they do have some packages where they can put that in as an upgrade. They have several levels of appliances that you can get as well. Notice we have the tile backsplash. The microwave, which will be included as well, will be mounted right there. This home does have the recessed lights you see here in the kitchen area, and nice wide open space here on this first floor. Let's take a look here at the back deck. This is going to be a 12 by 14 deck here in the rear, and we have a lot that while we're in a subdivision, we do have a little wood line there that's going to give us a little bit of a buffer between this and the homes that we back up to. I wanted to point out This is a great example here. If you can see the home there in the middle of the frame, that is what we call a basement lot. That home in the middle of the frame is also a basement lot because of the slope. If you notice, below the deck we have a door, and of course that's going to be a finished basement most likely, and builders like to use those slope lots for basement lots. A lot of times you'll go into a subdivision and they'll say lot 1A is a basement, lot 2B is not, and the reason for that is because of the elevation. They would much rather have that slope than to have to basically just dig a hole in the ground, and then you would not have the ability to walk out. So that's a big plus when they have a little bit of variation in the elevation for a subdivision. Okay, our flooring in here is luxury vinyl plank. I'm gonna let you take a look here at this door, which I believe is a closet. So we've got this coat closet in. It's actually a little bit under stair storage, convenient to the front door. The home also has enough space here in the island where you could probably get about 5 bar stools there. So someone can sit there and supervise the preparation of the meal. Okay, we have our first floor bedroom, which is always convenient. Once again, this can be repurposed. If someone wanted to make this a home office, you could do that. And I like it because we have a full bath that's very convenient to this bedroom. So it makes it really functional when we have a floor plan like this. If you had someone with mobility issues, this would be ideal. They could use that bedroom and this full bath here. They wouldn't have to go upstairs for any reason. Notice they brought the granite into these bathrooms as well, and we do have a ceramic tile there for the enclosure around the tub. All right, very good look so far. Let's go on up to the second level and see what we have up there. One of the things that a lot of people are choosing now, especially in the range of about $250 and up, is since there is such stiff competition with homes, a lot of people are just deciding to build. And the thing about this builder is that they always will have some spec homes in their inventory. So if you don't want to wait, you don't have to. They have something that's always coming up that has not been sold. So it just makes it much quicker to get into your home if you don't want to wait for the whole 6 to 9 month process for it to be built. Okay, this is going to be a secondary bedroom number 2. We just had one downstairs. We've got a nice closet here. Here to my right is going to be, actually, we just came, that is the loft area that we just came through. No, I take that back. This is actually another bedroom. That is the, let's see. Oh, okay. We are back to the loft area. I got turned around there for a second. This was at the top of the steps, and we went through. To the right is the bedroom we just went to, and here to the left is going to be our laundry. This is going to be our heating and air closet. This is a gas furnace with central air, and here to my right is going to be 2 additional secondary bedrooms. We've got the double doors here for our closet. This home is so big I even got mixed up a little bit. All right, that is a bedroom, and we have another bedroom directly across. We are now at the front of the house. You can tell this one is a much brighter bedroom. Plenty of space in here for an adult-sized bed with no problem. Good closet space. I'm really impressed by the customer service that D.R. Horton provides. They are definitely stepping up the game in new construction. Some of these local production builders are kind of taking what they have achieved over time for granted. And unfortunately, customer service reflects it. So I'm really impressed with them. They became the #1 home builder in America, not by chance. They obviously have been doing something right, and they continue that tradition here in Richmond. Okay, that was our secondary bedroom wing of the home. We are now going to the laundry room, and our laundry room is on the front of the house. We've got a nice big linen closet there. And this is, of course, our dedicated laundry room. So we've got plenty of space. Your washing machine would go in that pan. Your dryer would go to the side. And then we've got loads of storage space above. I imagine if you wanted to bring in some more shelves on this side, you could as well. All right, let's take a look at this massive primary bedroom. This thing is huge. All right, directly ahead, this is kind of a sitting area. I look at this partial wall here, and I see this as breaking up the two spaces. That, of course, is our main area with the tray ceiling and the ceiling fan, but then we have that wall that kind of breaks this area up here. So if you wanted to lay it out as like a sitting room, this would be a great place to do it. You've got a nice window there. You could do a sofa, TV, maybe on that wall. You could almost have like a little mini family room inside your primary bedroom. Closet number 1, walk-in closet number 2 is directly on the other side, and I do believe they are identical in size, really good size closets. Ceramic tile on the floor here in the primary bath, granite countertop, double bowl sink, large mirror, of course our walk-in shower once again with the tile. Okay, we can work with that. And our tub, we've got a nice big garden tub. That's actually going to be on the wide side, so you could definitely get in there and enjoy, wouldn't be cramped. I just love the amount of light that flows into this beautiful primary bath. We here have our water closet tucked away. Really nice floor plan. One of the things I've noticed is a lot of their floor plans are very similar. The loft area is a common trend that we see, and I'm really in love with this space because you can just relax here and don't have to go downstairs. You can just simply keep the living to one level once you have gone ahead and retired for the evening, or if you want to wake up and don't need to come downstairs for any reason, you can just basically chill up on the second level. If you have any questions about this or any other home on the market, my name is Max Williams. It would be an honor for me to help. If you have a home to sell, or if you know someone that has a home to sell, please give me a call immediately. We will get you an absolutely fabulous deal on your sale. Max Williams, 804-402-7788. I can reach you on Facebook under Richmond Area Foreclosures, on YouTube under my name, Max Williams Realtor. Thanks so much for taking the tour. Y'all be safe. Have a great day.